We were on our way to an amazing snorkel and dolphin adventure when this happened. The boat hit a big wave, making it feel like it jumped out of the water. It was a little scary, but also very exciting. Our adventure started at the check-in area. After checking in, the tour staff guided us to the boat. The friendly crew welcomed everyone as we boarded.
Everybody, once again, aloha and good morning. Welcome aboard the Ocean Spirit. Now, you guys can hear me up on the bow. And if it's been your first time coming out and joining us, I really do hope, my friends, that we have made repeat offenders out of you. We do all kinds of really cool stuff here at PacWhale. Obviously, our snorkel trips are amazing. We do sunset sails on this boat. We do dedicated 2.5-hour dolphin searches, whale watching all day long, all winter long, afternoon snorkel trips, dinner cruises out of Ma'alaya.
By the way, this tour is called the PacWhale Lanai Snorkel and Dolphin Watch. Our tour was managed by all friendly female crew members who made everyone feel welcome and safe. Our family found a comfortable spot on the front trampoline of the Catamaran. It felt like having front row seats to the beautiful ocean views. Then suddenly, the boat hit a large wave and seemed to jump into the air. It was a mix of excitement and a little bit of fear.
I will say, typically here in Honolulu Bay, good spot to see turtles. And I'll talk more about this in a little bit. Please don't ride the turtles.
Before entering the water, the crew provided all the snorkeling gear we needed. They also gave a short safety briefing, especially for first-time snorkelers. One of the crew members stayed in the water as a lifeguard to make sure everyone was safe. The water was so clear that we could easily see fish swimming below us. The tour wasn't just about snorkeling. There was also a small slide from the boat and several spots where you could safely jump into the ocean. The kids had so much fun jumping into the water over and over again. They couldn't stop smiling. To help us remember this unforgettable day, we also shared some of our souvenir photos. Here are some beautiful views of the snorkeling area and some underwater scenes. The tour even had an in-house photographer who took family photos while we were in the water. Here are the delicious breakfast and lunch meals served during the tour. A variety of drinks were also available throughout the trip.
Okay, we're going to be turning into Maui Bay right here. We're going to boat secure and get you guys back in the water here shortly. This is a faster fly up and a faster briefing. So you guys are back in the water ASAP.
After our snorkeling adventure, it was time to sail back to the harbor dock. As the boat turned around, the ocean became rough with slightly bigger waves. The wind became much stronger and very gusty. The boat rocked from side to side as it moved across the water. The experienced crew stayed calm and carefully adjusted the sails to handle the strong wind and keep the boat stable and safe. Everyone followed the crew's instructions and stayed seated for safety. Even with the rough water, the ride back was exciting and unforgettable. We enjoyed watching the waves splash against the boat while feeling the cool ocean breeze. Here are some more of our favorite souvenir photos from our boat ride. As we got closer to Maui, the water slowly became calmer. The beautiful coastline came back into view as we approached the harbor.
The car park, so stick with them as you leave, and please watch your step as you disembark. We got a bit of a moving target today, so just be careful as we exit the vessel. Come on out, and we'll see you down shortly.
The crew thanked everyone for joining the PacWhale Lanai Snorkel and Dolphin Watch Tour. We arrived back safely with wonderful memories that our family will always treasure. This was truly one of the best experiences we had in Maui.
Okay, thanks so much for joining. Careful.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down.